When you think of companies like Facebook, Twitter and YouTube, you probably think of them as ways to stay connected with friends and family. But they are also now very important tools for businesses. People all around the world are getting paid to tweet, follow, comment and share on behalf of businesses, with companies paying a lot of money to help manage their social media accounts. The massive growth of social media in the last few years has led to the development of a whole new industry called social media managers. They are mostly just regular people who get hired on a part-time basis from home to manage a business's Facebook, Twitter and YouTube accounts. We have been speaking to some of them today.
Doing social media jobs is just great. It's honestly the perfect way for me to make a living because I'm always on social media sites anyway, so now I'm making money from it. So yeah, that's perfect for me. Most of my jobs are sort of helping businesses get set up online. So setting up their Facebook, their YouTube, their Twitter accounts, and just linking all those together. But I get to connect with a lot of really cool and really interesting people all day long, and I can work whenever I want and from